Wasemeria kwane omwanchi omulire na kwanyera kwa bakogotwara obulgiriria obuya imegeta seni na mbeyemo egeta seni kia Ndizi TV nebiro binde asengo kwarigania asemesa ya mangana maye imegeta seni kia Ndizi TV elindengo erena renyera kwa bakago kolekana kura chingongo chonsi inyechinse eliterene Frida Kerubo na sichinse mochi biorokerelio nigotokobwatirana nere Joshua Auta inyoro na bogotobwatia asichinse mochi mitandao asensemo ya Facebook na bogotonyera gwitira Ndizi TV News Digital na boiga asensemo ya YouTube na bogotonyera gwitira Ndizi TV News asensemo ya website na bogotonyera gwitira www.ndizitv.or.ke gomanchi muri kransoike yanda so asensemo ya kabere ya studio gingoirana ningomanyi amange. Hingo chaka kegima omwanchi omurigereria nigongo kumanyibuna magega ya machibu yekiro kyobora bwense gotangaso bene naboigo obomo bwazimio la umoja kotuguterare bona nigo ekina kyabegetwe bosibwe kigambero ekikiabere kegotegererwa ase amatuko aitire omonachi ekina omonene CJ Martha Kome nigo litukore igoro no mokonyo e Philomena Mwiru nigasabete abakenya kubabeka bosibwa nyasaye rindo kubasabira ase okonacha ekinekyo naboigo korengana nebirengereri gusina maganyo y'abakenya orobotyuru asinchera yobwenye.
Continue to pray for us so that we can render judgment that promotes our constitution, that is anchored in the law, that nurtures our democracy, that brings harmony to our country, and everything good that is stated in our constitution.
Pray for us as we undertake the next phase. It's actually not the more difficult one. You have helped us with the more difficult part, but it is intense, for which reason therefore we ask you that you pray to whatever God you pray to, that God will assist us to continue in the spirit we've been in for the last 1 year, and that we shall have a very high sense of discernment, and that we shall return to Kenya a judgment not less than what Kenya expects.
Omobunge omochore okangema nigo amochiri ekiama gya Jubilee ase obosingirira buna nigo obochori butakorekanete asenchera endonge abwase bagotabuna nigo chinga kichobo chori bonyate koba bokoibwa nigo atebire buna nigo obomobwazimio la umoja bobwenete gwanchirana amachibu asengencho obochori nigo bwakorekete asenchera yobwene naboigo obwasiuku.
Mine is just to tell the Jubilee guys, they should accept that we won. They had a plan to steal, they had a plan to rig, but for us we worked to be able to mobilize our people to come out and also to guard our votes. The votes that were cast at the polling station, the agent for Jubilee, the agent for Kenya Kwanza and UDA, which was the major party here, both signed and nobody claimed there was a rigging until the presidential votes were counted. Most of the people who are saying that, they are characters who already have been declared as winners by the same IBC. And the election for MCA, the election for MP, the election for governor, senator and the president are the same. If the rigging happens to MCA, it will happen to the president. Therefore, the issue of rigging is just a hot air, and we are in court, and I think they have been told to prove the rigging.
Omorai w'ekiama gya Devolution Empowerment Party oigo okabeire omugavana we county ya Meru Kiraitu Murungi bona nigo anganyire kurwase obomo bwa azimio la umoja na boigo gosoa ase obomo bwa Kenya Kwanza. Kiraitu nigatebire buna obomo bwa Kenya Kwanza nigo bobwate amaroro nabogo nigo bokurigereria amaganyo y'abakenya na nigo borachikuikirane alliance abakenya babeire bagosaba hanigo akorekanete litukoligoro ase chinsemo chia Karen Ngaki omorai omochole ogatano obwense Dr. William Ruto hari kumwarigania ase obomo bwazimio bwa Kenya Kwanza. Magega ya matuko kianda ase abagavana banyate ko bagutianigwa bono nigo bachakire emirimo yabo yabene. Ime county ya Murang'a Irungu Kang'ata nigo atarerete enyagitari ya Murang'a level 5 ase alikolingoria obokoreri bw'enyagitari yo kolengana nere nigo alire eira ochikoene kibuna obokoreri obyabonyere ko obokoene kigwa ase enyagitari yo asate tebuna nachikoligereria naki akobeka emirobere yabene nabo igokoene kibuna amaliogo
We are a little bit unhappy and surprised and disappointed when we see patients sharing beds, when we notice that there's a problem of lack of milk, when you look at the general state of the hospital. Of course, we want to thank the health employees, despite the problems which they have been caused by government officials up there. They have really doing their best within the set of circumstances.
Umugavana we county ya Bungoma Ken Lusaka nigo aboliri abamenyi be county yo wesoke nabo igokwenyorera ekadi yabo ya NHIF indokweneki obokoreri obuya ase chinsemecho oigo nigo alire eira ase guchikobeka emeroberi yabene nabo igokweneki buna ngokiniale ebirengo byobochenu ase e county yo.
Vile tunaendelea kiafya kwa sababu health is very critical for us to make any progress anywhere. Pia kwa ofisi vile nimeingia nitaanza kwa kurecruit hospitali ni wale nurses na madaktari wale watakuja kutibu watu wetu, so hiyo itakuwa priority yangu sana so that tusaidie wale ambao wako field tayari na kupongeza wale ambao wako tayari kwa kazi nzuri ambayo wanaendelea kufanya, na pia niwahimize tujiunge na National Hospital Insurance Fund sababu hiyo ndio itatusaidia sana, kwa sababu nimeona wengi tumekuwa hapa saizi mama amefungiwa kwa sababu ya 30,000 nimemlipia na kusema kwa waive half, so nimemlipia yake nyumbani, lakini tuko na cases nyingi. Kwa hivyo tunataka wengi wajiandikishe kwa NHIF so that we are able to take care of our health care ya watu wetu.
Omwanchi omurigereria kurwa soro botire nigo naikire omweli obwa mangana maya ase ebirebiga kurende ngo sabato basagosikato basakanyegera chikoraga chinsa 10 ayona mange ningo yaletera ase nchira eyobwenye inyora omwanchi omuri ali tukoria rero chinsa 5.2 nigo rumba okoyenyora eyamasemo kurwa ase omubagani Owinspark abo ase babu mkongwe kigogo ayaliganeti kokoletera rumba eyabene igo omwanchi omurigereria na mange tokwaliganeti tobasa gosika kurasi kitasini ikia Ndizi TV ngokuganeria oburigererie obuya magechi kamera soko ene kibuna ebicha na boigo eliogi lyagoikira sole asenchera yabene nere petronira mukeira tunyako tukubwatanere Joshua Auta astinsemo chibiorokerelio na nche Eliane Frida Kerubo.